Okay, good morning everyone. Just wake up early morning to feed the animal in the green farms. You see, duck and chickens really enjoy the nature and ducks over there. Okay, this is our activity and my activity in the morning to release the chicken and ducks out from the coop, and then they just come to get the breakfast on the hill in the green farms. It's very beautiful, and over there we have the lemongrass, and we grow some vegetables, and it's look nice to see you everyone. I hope you enjoy and to see the nature and peace farms. So I just recommend you, if you have a land, you just to build the small garden or farms to feed a family, and also to get some income to support a family. So please like and share my channel, Plenty Food channel. Today I see you about we just take food from the own chicken coops. We take a bit far and then we feed them. So this is the place that we give food to the duck and chickens, and then we have some natural food, snails in the pond or lake, so that's easy for them to find the nature food. Please enjoy, like and share my channel, Plenty Food channel. Thank you for your watching, thank you for your share and subscribe my channel please. Thank you.